Hey there, it's Deb, my Maine Garden's Kitchen. Thanks for hanging out with me in my kitchen today. I'm really excited to show you this decorating idea to brighten up your holiday table. I had a lot of fun with spray paint. What can I say? So we're going to talk about how to use pumpkins, cranberries, and pine cones to make a really pretty display. So all I did, piece of cake, is I gathered up a bunch of these little mini pumpkins that I'm obsessed with. I have them all over my yard and all over my house this time of year. And then I spray painted them. I used metallics, 3, this is kind of a rose gold, then I did the gold, then I did sort of a silver, did it outside, ventilated area, didn't get it all over me. So you know how to spray paint, so I'm not going to show you how I did that. You can figure it out. But these really take paint very, very well. It didn't take long at all. And I kept the stems on. They're pretty, just the way they are. So this is an easy way to decorate. You could put these on your mantle. How cute would that be? You could put them on a table setting if you're having a party. You could put them in a, little glass that fits. So they're just fun. I'm gonna pile a bunch of them in here and show you what that looks like. Then, the other thing I did is I was on a walk with my husband David and picked up a bunch of pine cones and I spray painted these. Same thing. Aren't they gorgeous? I just love picking stuff up and looking at it and going, how can I turn you into something even more beautiful? And the other thing I did, which is really fun, is I got some cranberries. And I'm gonna give a plug to this Maine company, Sugar Hill Cranberry Company. Love them, awesome people, awesome company. In Columbia Falls, Maine, they grow their own. I have bags that I'm going to eat, but I'm also decorating with their cranberries too. All right, so what I did is I took some of the cranberries, put them in this box. Look at that. And then just spray painted, rolled them around, spray painted some more, rolled them around, and I'm gonna use those and some reds. So once you have all of these ingredients, you can create any kind of beautiful display you want. You can always get these chargers. They're like a bucket, craft store, dollar store, whatever. And you can put some cranberries around. Let's just do that. These things want to run away. All right. So you just get some cranberries and then some pumpkins, some pine cones. Oh, let's do a different color. Oh, no, let's do, where's that one? Oh, there we go. I mean, look, that's just pretty. How pretty is that? So play around with it. Again, once you have all of these things, you can decorate in so many different ways. And then you could also put some red cranberries around, which would be great on your Thanksgiving table, and decorate with that. So I'm gonna play with this a little bit more, and at the end of the video, I'll show you a couple of ways that I used these to decorate my table. And I hope you try it. This is really fun, and really inexpensive too. Okay, I'm Deb. I'm Maine Garden's Kitchen. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you later.